Eco Fabrics by James Lancy Edwin Sky. The problem: global warming is an issue that does and will affect people around the world. The effects of global warming include changes to our environment's natural state and ecosystems, which can lead to a spiral downfall of life as we know it. Global warming is relevant to us because it's not something only affecting one person. It's affecting all of Earth's inhabitants. With us being Gen Z, we and our future families will have to deal with the consequences of global warming. We will have to deal with the dirty air, lack of oxygen, extreme weather conditions, and scavenging for our next meal. Our research: global warming is mainly caused by emissions of greenhouse gases, which is what trash on landfills release. Trash close and landfills release a greenhouse gas that is called methane, which is a massive contributor to global warming. In general, many catastrophic events may happen if we don't take care of the world. You can go. While doing research, we have learned about how much clothes go to waste. More than 15 million tons of used textile waste is generated each year from the U.S. alone. Once in landfills, the natural fibers and clothing can take hundreds of years to decompose, and they may also release methane and CO2 into the atmosphere. Also, synthetic textiles are not made to decompose and may release toxic substances into groundwater and surrounding soil. These are pictures. The target audience would be Gen Z. We are the world's future. We have access to technology to spread our beliefs, which previous generations did not have before. We can put a stop or slow down global warming if people actually care and put action behind the words. Just like a tweet about celebrity could have 20 million views, so could one about global issues that will have an effect on us. During market research, we know that people in this day and time are obsessed with clothing and purchase whatever is the latest trend. Our fabrics will be made sure to be trendy and to have more people buy, but while still using old clothes/fabrics to make them.
Design a program that will significantly impact the lives of young designers, but most importantly, the billions of lives on the face of Earth today. Our plan is to take old clothing/fabrics and textile recycle them to new fabrics. We will then sell those fabrics and partner with young and upcoming multi-race designers and that purchase our fabrics and show off their work on their website. Then they'll get the recognition they deserve while also showcasing our recycled products. We hope to help prolong the existence of the human race one small step at a time. One of our biggest challenges of this project was coming up with something original that would also be effective to prevent global warming. This idea will have two main benefits: slow down the rate of global warming and give young and underground clothing designers to show off their skills so they could possibly get their name out there.
We asked for an endorsement for the investors, and our experts told us to personalize our ideas. So we thought of something that might have not been done before. So also related to our thoughts, our racial background.
We have $5,000, and we're going to spend $2,636.50 to our warehouse, and we're going to spend $21 on our graphic designing software, which is Adobe Photoshop, $250 on our cleaning services, $1,000 on our washing machines, $330 for our offices, $350 for our printer, and $80 for our office supplies, $102.50 for advertising, Instagram and Facebook, $100 on business and website designing license, and our total we spent $5,000, and we're going to donate 40% to charity and 60% to keep the business running.
Our vision for our business is to help lower the amount of unnecessary clothes going around the landfill, which would decrease the landfill space requirements and lower the global warming. And these are the resources that we use.
This is absolutely totally moving. I am so moved by your presentation. Thank you, guys. Let's get the judges.
And one simple question: how y'all gonna make money? I've seen a lot of expenses. did not see how you were going to generate revenue, and that's important. You do not have a business if you are not making money.
Okay, so we were gonna sell the fabrics that we have to the public and to the designers, and if they show off our fabrics on their Instagrams or whatever, that would bring more publicity to our fabrics.
Awesome.
So I'm not fashion savvy in any shape or form. So when you say textile recycling, and I see you have washing machines on there, tell me what the actual business is. Are you taking that and are the clothes you're getting being recycled and made into new fabric, or what's the product?
The clothes we're getting, yeah, basically what you said, the clothes we are getting are being recycled and made into new fabrics so people could buy them.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Awesome. Cool. Okay, thanks. I don't think I have any questions for that one. I really like, this is a really timely issue. There's so much waste, so much. Jennifer?
Thank you, Shannon. Again, great idea. I love the concept. One of the things that I'm going to ask you is how much research did you do into what kind of clothing and materials that you can recycle? Because there are organizations out there that will collect, let's say, jeans, and they'll take out certain like threads and the metal components and other fibers that are in cotton itself that would technically ruin the cotton fabric when you're trying to recycle it and to use it again later on. So it's one thing if it's just like old, let's say, rolls of cloth that hasn't been used and you're taking that and recycling it, versus you're taking old garments and you're trying to break them down into reusable and recyclable material. So have you gone into that, and have you looked at the other organizations that are out there? Because this is a great opportunity for strategic partnerships where you guys can, like, cross market, bring each other up and bring awareness to this, as well as provide materials for, like you said, designers and local I forgot what it's called, people that make clothing and things like that would help with you.
So I've done research on what clothes can be textile recycled, but I'm not sure the names. Also, I researched if there was any other businesses like this. I only came across one that just recycles the clothing. They don't like partner with any designers or anything.
Nice. Nice.
I like that partnership aspect.
I actually know of a business that it's in our building, Jennifer. I forgot what the name of it is, but I definitely could get that company for you. They recycle clothing, and they actually design new clothing. So I'm going to connect you with Amir. It's definitely out there, and it's new enough for a growing business to start a new movement. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations.